Hello, I want to make a very short video for you today. This is just an exam that we did in our school, and we can have mechanical engineering students, automotive engineering students, and agricultural engineering students. So you just follow through as you screenshot or pause. It has questions and the answers. So section A, we have 40 marks. We have question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 up to that point. So just pause and screenshot. Then we have question number 7. This is a graph here. This is 30. This is down here is at 5. This one is at 25. Then we have number 8, number 9, number 10, 11, 12 up to 13. That marks the end of section A, 40 marks. Then we have section B. This is question number 14. You state the principle of moments, then you can pause and do part B. Then you move downwards to Roman number 2. You can still use the same diagram there and do Roman 1, Roman 2. Then now assuming that the lever has a mass of 100, has a load of, assuming that the lever is equivalent to the load of 100 newtons, calculate the magnitude and the load of W, then determine the new reaction R. Then you move on to, that was 14, then you move on to number 15. Again, you just pause and you take a screenshot. We have A, Roman 1 to 4, B, you fill the gaps, then you have C. Then you move on to question 16. We're supposed to define the equilibrium, define a couple, distinguish between vector and scalar quantities. Then here, this is 85 kilonewtons. This is 120 kilonewtons. This is 42 kilonewtons. Then here we have 30 kilonewtons. This is a vertical. It means it is along y-axis. So this is 90 degrees. This here is 40. Here we have 110 degrees. This one I've said is 90. So you pause, then you screenshot and try out. Then we have question 17. Set the parallelogram law of coplanar forces. Then we have define mechanical advantage, velocity ratio. Highlight 2 reasons why the efficiency of a machine is always less than 100%. Then there's a combined lever here and a hydraulic machine. Again, you work out, find the value of F0, mechanical advantage and efficiency. Then that is the end. So I want you to screenshot the questions. Then you, after working out, you try. This is just a simple guide of the workout for the question. We have number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just pause and take a screenshot or just follow through. Then this is number 8. This is number 9. Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, the answer is here. Then number 10, number 11, can scroll downwards. Yeah, number 11 is the triangle law, coplanar forces. Then we come to, it moves up to here. Then number 12, difference between concurrent forces and coplanar forces. Number 13 was supposed to draw a pulley with a velocity ratio of 3. So we have this rope, and this rope. Those 3 ropes are supporting the load. So our velocity ratio is 3. This is the lower set and this is the upper set. Then number 14, the statement of principle of moments. Then the calculation. Roman number 1, the load is 200. Roman number 2, the reaction at the support is 800. Then part C, that is 14C, the load is 180 when you are using the weight of the load to be 100. Then the reaction at the support will be 880. Then move on to number 15, number 15A, number 15B, number 15b Roman 3, we can accept light and heat all together, or simply heat is also accepted. Then part C, this is the statement of the mathematical expression of the law of the machine. Now, given two sets of values, you can substitute and get two equations, solve them simultaneously to get the value of A. Then substitute in the original equation, get the value of B. Then now the new statement of the law of the machine will be stated here. At this point, we allow even to 1 decimal point to 2 decimal point. That's why you see accept any other number of decimal places. So using the one I wrote up here extended, you can have this, but a shorter one is allowed. Then the next part, we're resolving forces. We also resolve and find there was this, I think this was an extension. Yeah, there was some typo here. The resolution of forces. Yeah, there was some typo here. So this part for this table here, resolution of forces, just pause, then it continues here. We have the magnitude and the direction here. So just pause. I think in the next part I will edit. So the magnitude is 155.6 newtons, then the direction is 17. Then the next part on the continuation for the law of the machine Roman 2 continues down here. Then we find that the effort P is 180 newtons to the nearest whole number. Then the mechanical advantage, then the efficiency. Then move to number 17, equilibrium, definition, couple, then difference between vector and scalar quantities with examples. Just pause and you go through. Then move on to number 17, the definition of parallelogram law of coplanar forces. It comes down to this point. Then we come to part B. Part B is here. Mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, their definitions, reasons why mechanical friction, the reasons why efficiency is never 100%. Then there is the calculation on the hydraulic machine is also down here. So just pause bit and bit up to this point. Then we get F naught. Then formula for mechanical advantage, you get it here. You can give it 3.0998 or 1 decimal point. We'll just follow your working. Velocity ratio, you do that for a lever using the method, then use for hydraulic machine. Then now you find the velocity ratio for combined system, VRL and multiply by VRH. Then you come and get the efficiency. So that marks the end. I know it was just to help you get the questions and the workouts, but in case of any explanation or any part that is giving you problem, just reach out through the WhatsApp number and I'll be able to do a video or an extended part for you. But I want to believe this will be helpful. I'll also do the second test and also upload it online. I believe it will also assist you. Thank you.